Wow. Ayako yes en kran no. Se edru May June July or so do car na ko swap na jet ski.
Boys now in so akofie no swimming no. When your natural swimming pool.
Yes, but do you know the other side of it? A man for omo toilet tankasa omo physics e ni so tona ya no me bia to gatem na gata de ko. I didn't know or that toilet will be in or them so no or you say.
Nigga man is swimming in shit.
He's the shit.
You don't know these streets like we do.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Street is Watching. This is our editorial. My name is DJ Slim. Zero, I say zero daddy.
I'm the saddest man alive.
Sir. And you win the dama kuma so rain, go away. Come again another day.
Little children want to play.
Rain, go away. Oh boy, but I've seen on social media that it is terrible everywhere. We'll talk about it. We'll talk about it later on. But Mama Kondo's de la Chichi for number, Mr. From Munafi. The screen is from Munabi Bianco Kamama.
Yeah,
de la
Chichi.
Yes. Of course, Aqua Blue mineral water.
Aqua Blue.
And a Matrix gym. Yeah, Barnesa, yeah, bo. Feeling. Balls out towards us. A feel
but Jim no so ball.
So you know I got stomach Accra. So I want a machine back could be about for crunches. Acquire abs crunches. It's all training more. Or take a growl.
And then Urban on 90 sideways. Poco one side.
So a transfer. And or train use have it is in the market the grass, cream crackers and the grounds. Yes, we feel it in a more professional way. Vinny Holmes Wokumasi.
Vinny Holmes.
Yes, of a more baby ada. We are down a LBNB. Yanko and then a trendy.
The reason why I'm the saddest man, they say, I same way I ever can. I think that my grandfather, great, yes. Whatever, they've been talking about this thing now.
My grandfather's clock was too large for the shelf, so he spent 30 years on the floor. It was taller than half than the old man himself.
Anytime we get to May, middle of May, June, July, we know it's a rainy season here in Ghana. Yes. But a baswa in Kofofie in Sukum. Places get flooded.
Yeah.
And then people have to leave their homes.
Yeah.
Normal baby.
Yeah.
Every year since before independence. And it's still here. You know what? Let's watch videos in Kofofie flooded. People even having their cars swimming. Kano adane submarine. And I'll swimming. When we come back, I'll show you a video adding up to why Sanema win now ACC. Let's watch this.
Wow. Wow.
Welcome back. Now, let me show you a video of two human beings who have refused to use their brains. Omo decided to say, Adrena their mom say, Omo fa nye jumano. Da bi da. Omompe. Let's watch this. So if you have 2 women do this in a country, every May, June, July, we talk about flooding. And in 2026, yo, when are we going to move on?
No, we don't want to move on. We actually take delight in talking about this every May, June, July, August. That is what we delight because NMI headlines, we are flooded, we are flooded, we are flooded. We like that. And because bro, in all fairness, if we did not like it, why say a see ba ku mienu mien say hu nyansan solve ye. What you say? See ani nje ho a. Nti ani je ho me de me hu ne say de ekoso bia ye pe. Nti na because I've seen flooding in crime. I've seen how devastating it can be. I mean the famous things and then June 3rd and July.
June 3rd. That incident. Okay, so back then I was around NEIP. There was this technical school. So a computer school. It's my first circle before I get home. We moved, but we were able to move. You move it through from circle to Caprice. And it is a sadness. Me and my colleagues.
Just say.
We had one lady from our class who was involved. Was in your Jew or no? Or no finding refuge or her because of how the rain was. And the end the boys. Now this idea say, oh, gangster, yeah, movie Accra. Yeah. You Jew honum na. You sense science no. Wow, we realized that she was power.
From that time, ABC, you ask yourself, say, all the committees that have been set up, all the various government agencies who are in charge of that. What have they been doing in the off-peak season to make sure that when we get to the on-peak season, Sanyama we ain't see. People are still building in waterways. People are building whilst they don't even have gutters. A typical example is a video that I saw where it's a video, no? Akwani gate in anymore. Gutter be a nephew in him na.
In so no.
The saddest video that I saw is a video of a gentleman. No, me nya word in fan describe no. Un say you obi a wajimi. Ena ye wo kwasia. Ena okane mienu nyina bomu ya aboa. But ne chikese pa no.
Senior man.
Ne chikese pa no me nya word. Me un say
Ocha blending in why the smoothie?
Me feel say we aboa mu aboa na I don't know. Who say ahene mu hene?
Yeah.
And when I'm person me translate it called aboa. Hey, Christian villager. And Obeka say he's acting because uhiesika. Riders are deliver aduane bi.
Yeah.
Who said domi ho yiriye. Christian village what was terrible.
Yeah.
When a small downpour, after an hour. And a quending in a yiri. Quine a yiri no so esa a grace na one chain a beabu. Who said Munas will be or that a friend say pizza will say fried rice will say. Any scenic na the motor no eto. Can it tell to onusu what off onusu a tremble
of less also to come. So they for the same route.
Delivery say na wokoji. And unim say ade ne pa no nsuo no pa because the current no e push no.
Yeah.
Wasi free motor no so. Nanka ja motor no nanya dey. Enko abrante no still wo person save motor na motor no e twe no. E de ne kwako say o person owu because of a motor. Obi beka chem say slim na motor na bi kura na nya ne dia. or the year Juma. As a man or catching Nura. No problem. Ain't it on a motor nunko? Is that the alternative? And as I'm going to mean, you know, Accra and train.
Now, on friend Pakoko delivering, the person would even understand saying so at all. Send a picture, ultra picture they are sending, say, baby, I may for the about channel, saying this in this. Well,
for Antina make us a me pet, dear Buechi. Me pet dear Buechi. A boma buapa.
So,
and if not for Emrantia no mujina ho as at that time, and no muhun in Temwa. And the guy wasn't even ready to let go of the motor.
Kobe, when the motor in
ope nisa. Ope say oni motor ni wu. Ono obi si oni odo ye wu be wu no. Ono si oni motor. Any be wu. Number one cause of sad way. Gutters are block, waterways are block. People are building on waterways and some are just blocked. Because road contractors are a dear Juma Momono. Or moba kwan who no more baby a year gutters na. Or mobe two a friend say, omo cars in the back. No, omo share chippings in ebu kwan who enough more na ko gugatem. Naka. Obi wo be sini dine. No, share chippings a good kwan more.
Maybe
majority ne abloko gata no ne ehwe no
otumi de je kwan no say a kwan one way nti car cry bad this or train mo bi ban so no waba wo kan obeka say o e woni dan nim no de be ya de ofie
bro nyame amoya Ghana hade
ya ne
exactly. Now, there are groups of people that have seen this. In fact, first me who Bastard Boys, but now I've seen other groups. Okay. Almost yes, and when I followed their journey, any certain places or more got to be a got to be a I'm wondering, saying when Oman yes said Jumana. I'm wondering, so Oman yes said Jumana. In Kasa areas, no, and she started to in care what to say. Oma ye wieni mpo no ho amu na make sure so maintain sa gutters no ma yi no shashi he ya unim se na omu yi ade ni wie kwa no minim se ho kra no da gutter bi kra da ho
yeah
entina me busa say and these people started during the off peak season oh
yeah Bastard Boys there they've been hard
off peak season time and nsuo nto no so ene mom time nsuo to ni be hu omo so mfa so. What were government institutions doing off peak season? Why do we have to call them only when at the NSA? Ye ni mo ya ye ni mo o se ba ku bi oti akire ha eye so oye gata blocko no e ma fie ampa cho mo hwe video no ye how fie ha o ma awurade
on what take decision amount.
On what take decision am I nyina.
But DJ,
it's sad.
The government institutions no, yes. But ye ni pano because even prior to this rainy season, I think our Nungwa Honum side, they decided say omo mesi dan wo ekwan hu na no. They are going to pull down the buildings and all that. Come and look at the citizens. Paul Machel. Yeah, we are calling them names. And Munim Skawad, Omodi Ashim. But the people also tell you, say, Honum no in so toy but still Obunko to do. Apa say, oh there, let me continue to build there.
Me say unim yepe. I just want us to understand today. Say we like it.
No,
we yepe stories no every May, June, July, August. See yepe stories no. And unti na ekoso no. Because they empower and can find a solution to it once and for all. Yepe. Yeah, when natural disasters was, I mean, a certain downpour be or whereby extreme.
Yeah.
Yes, I will know. But simple waterways. This is the 2 year when you must see a block. Hey, Hachu district in India forgetting.
And you.
Hachu Domi Achimota. Nima alajo. Me say ayakoye se nkran no. Se edru May June July or so do car na ko swap na oji jet ski.
Yeah.
So wo car okobo swap. No aje jet ski na small kodo oketu every day ya bo akire.
Boys now in so akofie no swim, you know. When you natural swimming pool.
Yes, but little do they know that the ekoso kese apart from ladies na no toto rubbish egu nsuo to amototo ya wo man bia omo enye man kwa ya wo nkrofo bia omo yesa.
Yeah.
Do you know the other side of it? Amanfo ewo omo toilet tankasa omo physics nsuo to na ya no ma bia to gatem na gata de ko. I didn't know or that toilet will be in them sa na or yesi.
Nigga man is swimming in shit.
He's a shit as a matter of fact. Nigga is the real shit. Only being. Shit, bro.
Wow.
A man for a yenny man chrome how. A man for yenny. People actually open their physics. Say, in so no time, me beer from their cop. And to avoid say obetri or before so no abetri the obetua. Car will be about between car between there be obi in the toilet. Nah,
don't they know say bia omubie wo hano e betimi akọ block and as be wa ko gu baby a e be having nkofo
there be
omundwen sa
on de na adwene mu no e kwa ko gu gata kese mu na ekọ na sa gata kese na e ko gu mu ama na akọ no enu problem ba ko any styrofoams plastic plastics no na e block hey ratty chale it's too much. It's too much. It's too much. I saw a video. Kumasi. A friend say aswase sa subin kese no. Now hwe plastic pa e dey ko. Me suma ne final destination.
Look at
me suma final destination no. Hatwase. Me ko hu papa ni fie no. Me che mera ahoa ma akwa ne sa papa no mera ahoa ma no. Wonu say plastic a free a friend say Legon near the ade bari nyina akwa na wona sisi e wo. So bottle bi ayira na obi bi ayira na ahwe
bruh.
Ha. You can't even see the house. Who da no na plastic nko a na gufi ho nyina.
Look at this.
Final destination baby you just see you know. Challenge nyame moaye wate Mr. Nyame moaye ask film.
What is this? Head. Let's
what is this?
You su win.
Challenge me be me see I mean to me can review. My break. Come into the comment section. And when you come, share or thought what and keep it real because the street is always watching.
You don't know these streets like we do.
We show.